Sonar is a detection system consisting of ultrasound waves used by ships to scan below the ocean's surface. Here is a simple example of a device using a sonar scanning system on a ship. The dots on the device represent objects that have been detected underwater, below the ship. The position of the dots on the display represents the direction the objects can be found in, as well as their depth. We can also have sonar devices which generate full maps rather than detect individual objects. But how do sonar scans work? Well, the ship sends ultrasound waves into the water to be reflected back. Here's an example of a ship using a sonar scan to map the seabed below. The ship sends down a beam of ultrasound waves, which are waves with frequencies too high for humans to hear. We concentrate these into a thin beam that travels in a single direction. The waves will be reflected when they reach the seabed, sending them back towards the ship, where the sonar device detects them. But what happens then? Well, a computer determines how far away objects are based on how long it takes the waves to return. This is done by timing how long it takes a beam to return and calculating the distance it must have travelled. By sending multiple beams in different directions, we can map the seabed using the different depths measured. Make sure you understand this process, as you may be asked to explain it in an exam. But what kinds of things will a sonar scan be used for? Sonar has many different uses. Let's look at the main examples of these. As we've seen, sonar can be used for mapping seabeds and investigating the geography under the ocean. This helps companies plan safe and efficient shipping routes. Sonar is also often used by the Navy for reconnaissance, by detecting submarines and other dangers hiding in the ocean. And lastly, sonar technology has helped some fishermen, as it can be used to track large schools of fish and let them know where's best to cast their nets. Marine biologists also use sonar to track and study whales and other large aquatic animals. You won't need to recall these exact uses of sonar, but you should be able to explain why sonar technology would be used for a given example in your exam.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!